Hey, welcome into Greg Pittman Drone and Tech. I'm Greg, and today we're going to be looking at a hard case for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. The case that I've got here is a cheaper alternative to some of the more expensive cases. This one here is by Skyreat. Let me adjust the camera so that we can take a better look at what we have here. Turn that down there a little bit, and that should get it into the... You've got good latches on here, and you got a place that you can put a lock on each side on each latch. You got your your standard pressure relief valve. You've got a nice handle here to carry it with, and of course you got little things for feet down here on the bottom. I wish they put a little rubber in there or something, but it is what it is. And then you have your feet on the back so that you can stand it up, and it's just a good all-around case. It's nice and flat, ready for some stickers. I think these on the side here, I think that's for some kind of shoulder strap or something, which it did not come with. But it did come all pre-cut. I didn't have to pull anything out of it or throw anything away. It was all pre-cut. I've got my stuff in here already. You got your place for 2 extra batteries here, your battery hub, ND filters, and they got a place that you can put your sticks if you want to put your sticks there. And then you have your drone, and you have your controller. Now under the controller there is a spot there spot here under the controller that you have you can store your extra blades and your miscellaneous stuff. What I've got in there is a pair of blades, the USB A to USB-C cord, and a screwdriver, which came with the drone. That's what I had. I was hoping that my fly more kit would be in so that I could put that in here as well, but it got delayed, so who knows when that's going to get here. But it all fits in really nice. Now what I do wish is that they have the room here. I wish they would have did a little cutout at the bottom here so that you could store some blades underneath the drone, but they didn't, and I'm not sure I want to cut on that. But the drone comes in and out real nice and easy, but the remote, it fits pretty tight. Sometimes it can be a bear to get out, but as I've done it, it's getting easier, so it just fits in there really snug. Really, that's about it. And you got your foam here on the top to protect the it's pretty thick foam to protect it all. And like I said, the case isn't all that big. It's a smaller case. Put it up here on the Mavic 3 and turn the camera here so that you can kind of see what it looks like on the Mavic 3. You got the Mavic 3 case here, and then the Mini 3. It's quite a bit smaller case. But anyway, that's basically all I have for today. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. And until next time, I'll catch you later. You take care now. Bye.